In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake pedal pad on this Mercedes E350. Let's get into it. I just grab the old brake pedal pad from the back and it's just going to slide off. Just like that, and it slips right off. On the back side, you can see where the pedal is going to go right in there. So we're going to start on that side first. Just slide it over. Make sure it goes in that place. And then fold it over, just like putting a sheet on a mattress. Make sure it slides over. It's all in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.